Hi guys, my name is Reese from Finley Motor Group. Today I'm showcasing this 2025 Ford Kuga ST line. This car is finished in solar silver, sitting on paint matched alloys which are 18 inches in diameter and sitting on Continental Eco tyres as well. With it being the ST line, you get nice body contoured body kit, you get body coloured mirrors, and this being a 2.5 litre plug-in hybrid petrol, you get up to 66 kilometres of range on the plug-in hybrid system. This car has all-around parking sensors, a reversing camera. We have a 13-inch digital display inside. We also have touchscreen infotainment system inside, which is quite sizable. With this vehicle, like I said, you get a 13-inch infotainment display, which has wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We get ambient lighting on the interior in our footwells and cup holders. An automatic transmission with it being a plug-in hybrid. You also get carbon fibre effect on the dash and a very nice and comfortable seat and seating position. We also get a heated windscreen, and like I said, this is the ST line, so you get the red stitching on the bolsters of your seats. If you wish to inquire about this Ford Kuga, please contact our sales team on 045 431 725.